Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is ci, which means dog. Ci, as in a ci bach, the little dog. Ci, dog.